Hey everybody, welcome back. This is episode 16 now, and last week I said I would be doing stuff for Rosalie's voyage, so got a couple shots I'm gonna get done here before I go to work, and yeah. Alright, so I've got a couple more shots for this sequence that I need to get done. I've been showing you a couple of the shots I've been animating for that. But in order to finish this, I need some lines for one of the characters, and I need to build another wall. I can't really get the lines on my own. I don't really want to do any more lines personally, but I can build another wall, so I'm going to do that and get those shots done hopefully tonight. I got those shots done, and then I went to the campground this weekend and filmed some stuff with my cousin Christian for Mission Impossible, and it all looks super good, like almost like from an actual movie. It's like, yeah, it's unreal how cool some of the stuff we got is. Here's a look at some of the shots we got, just some of the highlights. I'm not going to try and spoil anything, but yeah, here's a look at those.
Action.
Alright, basement's clear. Moving in the second floor.
Action.
It doesn't need to be action, just tell me when you're
ready.
Alright, go. Yep, rolling and action.
Wait, what am I doing?
Jumping up and firing at me.
Oh, okay.
Action. Okay, one more take. Rolling and action. So with all the lens flares and the silhouettes and all that, it looks pretty cool. And then the shoot was pretty chaotic because it was raining and it was dark and we had to use the car. So inside it was not as chaotic, although the camera was kind of dying the entire time, so we had to rush inside. But outside it was much worse because, like I said, it was raining and it was dark and we had to use the car. So we'd run out, get a take, run back inside the mill, see if that take was good. Oh, it wasn't. Run back out, get it again, run back in, and it was just crazy. But it was a good kind of crazy, lots of fun, so yeah. And then during the last shot of our shoot, I'm supposed to duck down and run off. And if you want to, you can look frame by frame to see what happened, but basically I turned, tripped over my legs, went down to catch myself, kept running, and just ran. So yeah, it's up there in the bloopers of Major Look Studios. It's one of the best bloopers. But enough talking, here's a look at that.
3, 2, 1, action! Three, two, one, action!
And so yeah, that's not gonna end up in the final movie. We had to do the take again. Other than that, didn't get anything else done. I got the animation and filming for Mission Impossible done. And yeah, that's it. So that's the end of this vlog. Yeah, see you guys next week.